What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.023. We're up about 0.93 on the day. See market cap of 505 million. 24-hour volume way down 44 million. Let's hop into the charts. So we're looking the micro count for a wave 5. We are yet to see that. Of course, it could happen. We could spike up. But if it doesn't happen, just be cautious because these micro counts could be inaccurate. Yes, this looks like a 3-wave move, but it's always possible that it could be a 5-wave move. And if that were to be the case, then the key support to watch would be in between 0.0215 and 0.022. If we break 0.0215, then there is the possibility that this is still the red wave 4. And then we're going to come down and fill this wick. It really depends. Looking at Bitcoin dominance, I post this in the Discord. Money's going to be starting to flow into Bitcoin if this triple bottom plays out. The more this pushes up, the more money's flowing into Bitcoin, which of course means that less is flowing into the alts. So we'll have to see how the alts react to Bitcoin pulling back, because we're looking for a pullback soon for BTC. So we'll see if the alts really start to bleed or if they're able to hold their own and we hold a pullback and see continuation. If we break up and we create that wave 5, that's more confluence of continuation to the upside. But if we break down from here, as I mentioned, this does only look like a 3-wave move, but if we can bounce from this wave 2 pullback zone and come up and break these highs, then that confirms a bullish breakout. If 0.0215 is lost, then there is a chance we fill that wick, but honestly, that's a long way down from the current price. We would have to drop another 25% drop to break that wick, create a lower low. I don't really think that's likely, but we'll have to see how everything plays out. I'm leaning bullish and that we just pull back and bounce, but we'll see what happens. All right, guys. We are currently in 4 trades. You can have a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis if you sign up to either Bitkit or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading on Bitkit. Grab those bonuses, email me or sign up email. 30-day free trial to my signals, analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays Forex signals and analysis. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Just email me or sign up email after you make your first deposit. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. All links in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.